Hello everyone and welcome to part 3 of my mock building of Night at the Museum. Not finished yet at all, but as you can probably see in front of you, that's where it's at the moment. It's a modular build, so I'm going to take it apart and show it to you separately. At the moment, that is the main hall. And I've got the world map, the little desk where Larry's going to sit. Right, oops, it does keep happening. It wasn't meant to happen, but that has happened. Just put that back on. Okay, I've got Teddy Roosevelt there, but there's actually Sean Connery playing Harrison Ford's dad in the film I can't remember the name of, The Last Crusade. That's it. I've got little touches. I mean, I can't be strictly true to the film. I've got the little Statue of Liberty. It goes there, and you see a bit of jungle over the back there. That's from my jungle room. I call it my Aztec jungle room. I've also I managed to pick up some United States flags, because there's some flags. If you look at the pictures of the film, there is some flags in that room. Now, in front of that, I've got the dinosaur, which is just a T-Rex basically, like a T-Rex built. I've got the doors in now behind it. Got another passageway coming off there, a couple of lamps, plant. I've got some pictures on the wall. They're actually, looks like Ra, sun god, some Egyptian stuff there. So that goes there, like that. That goes there like that. And if I swing them round, I shall fix that in a minute. I swing them round, you can probably see here I've been building a jungle. That's part of my Aztec room. Let's call it Aztec and jungle room. So I've got a little monkey there on a banana tree. I know it doesn't look like a proper banana tree, but at least the bananas are going up the right way. There's a little parrot there. This little guy, if you remember from the film, there's a little monkey that stole Larry's keys. I've got a little frog, monkey, parrot. That's the pirate room. I can't remember if there was a pirate room in the film or not, but I thought I'd build a pirate room. And this bit here is the back of the Egyptian room. You can see some hieroglyphics on the wall there. Now if I show you these two rooms first. That's actually meant to be Akmun Ra. But that is the Egyptian room here. I've got Anubis. Got some hieroglyphic plates on the wall. I've got the little, at the moment, the little tablet brings them all to life at night. Got 3 sarcophagi in there. And this statue here that I made from a Lego build. Some plans I built. Next to it, I've got the pirate room. I quite like this one. So I've got a Jolly Roger, little rat up there. I've got the skeleton captain out of Pirates of the Caribbean, Captain Jack Sparrow. Another skeleton another pirate over there. One having his grog, cannon. I've got the cannon and the cannonball. A little treasure chest, some maps, and a an anchor on the wall, and that you just turn around and slot there. And now I've got a pirate room, and I've got the Egyptian room, and this is my favourite. This is one I'm building at the moment. I'm quite enjoying this because I've never built a jungle before. And this is my Aztec jungle room. You see, I've got a couple of Aztec-y wall murals here. One Aztec warrior, some sort of lion warrior. I've just found a sloth. Little paleontologist stroke explorer. Got all these jungly bits. There's a snake, another snake over there. Lots of monkeys. Got this little one here. That's not a monkey. Where's my monkey gone? I've got a bear. Ah, found a monkey. Little monkey. I think you can just hang from a tree or a vine. Like that. And that just slots into there. And that is how my mock is going. Oh yes, I've got this lion. So there's some lions in the museum. That's going in there, in the jungle room. Now the aim is to build maybe another room, another 2 rooms, maybe some stairs going upstairs. And then, oh, he doesn't stand up at the moment. The lion, put him now. And he does stand up. Put the lion there. And then I want to do an animation. Let me just lift it up and see if you can get a better view from the top. So that is, at the moment, Night at the Museum. My version of the Night at the Museum film turned into a mock to basically do an animation from. And that's it. Thank you very much.